video. Today we're going to be doing a rope climbing with Max to see if he will like it or not, but it's just a learning experience. Now we're going to be doing this all the time. So let me try to put him up here and see if he will stay. He probably won't. I'm not going to force him to do it because I don't want to, but I just want to see if he knows how to climb or to hang on. Ah! Okay, yeah, I don't know about this. This isn't a good idea. Here, you want to go up there? You want to hang? You can hang. Okay. Okay. You want a treat first? Here. Eat that treat. You eating it? I don't know if he'll, hiccups. I don't know if he'll climb this today. Sam, enough. Enough. Yeah, I don't think he's going to do this rope today. He's just fighting it. You like that? Is that good? Get on there. Get on there. Get on there. Go. Go. Nope. Do not do that. Here, look. This one has 3 strips. Okay. Alright. No, sorry guys. This isn't working today. He's not going to climb the rope. This is not a good idea. No. Not. No. He doesn't like it. He does not want to. I did not want to force him. You're alright. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? Guess you can just eat him. Watch him eat a snack. You want to go in your tower? Here, go in your tower. No? I think he wants to play with Sam. Nah, get out of there. Come here. Get out! He's not really interested in doing much today. I don't know why. He woke up at 4 in the morning screaming, so I was like, oh my gosh, what's wrong? And then I fed him. And he went back to sleep. But he's been out. He's been really active. Sam is being really loud. He only does this when we're doing a video. He's only loud when we're doing a video. Sam? He likes to chew on my nails. I got my nails done. He likes to chew them. Bite them. Because they're pretty, right? They're pretty. Now? Here, you want to go on this one? He did it earlier, but he just doesn't want to do it. He was holding on. Like, he was doing really good. Ah! Nope. Come here. Alright. You don't have to go anymore. No, we're not going to do the rope anymore. We're going to try to do something else. Maybe get, like, smaller ropes so he can hang from his cat tower. We'll probably have to nail them in. Yeah, this is cardboard. We'll have to nail them in. Make it smaller. We can cut these, actually. Make them smaller. This is too big, and it's too high up off the ground. I feel like it's going to hurt itself. Is that good? No. I just got them done. You're not biting them. What do you want? You're gonna go back to your cage. I'm gonna go sleep. I'm gonna go sleep. Oh, what was that? Oh. Trying to get away from the camera. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. He loves my necklaces. Whenever I wear a necklace, he tries to put it in his mouth. Nope. I'm starting to think he knows what no means. Because when I tell him, he'll try to bite me or he'll be like, shake his head. No. He's a little angry. So yeah, I get a little angry when I hear the word no. Alright, go in the tower. You're scratching me up. Where'd he go? Oh. Yeah, him and Sam love each other. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. My phone's ringing. I'm sorry it wasn't as expected. We thought that he would want to climb on this, but I guess not. I mean, we'll try something smaller next time. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this.